Well, how you doing on this terrific Tuesday, everyone? It is March 14th, year 2023. This is Mazske Finance coming to you from South Florida, from an empty room, basically. That's why you might have a slight echo. Sorry about that. This will be a short video, but real quick. Mazske Finance. I'm not a financial advisor, not a CPA, not an attorney, and I'm not a nutritionist or a doctor. So just real quick here. Today is the day. My house should get listed officially sometime today. The realtor has submitted everything, so it's up to his office to verify, confirm, and officially put it on the MLS. Once on the MLS, within a couple hours, it should be around the world, something like 27 different official, things like Realtor.com, Zillow, that sort of thing. So we shall see how this plays out. So now we're getting to the hurry up and wait stage, right? It's like, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, get done. Now we wait. I learned that in boot camp with the Navy a long time ago. So, alrighty. And let's see, I got a lot of text popping up from my real estate agent, so this will be short. But anyway, once you become financially independent, this gives you options, options, options. If you're not financially independent, think about what I'm doing. If you own a house and that mortgage is weighing on your shoulders, consider selling it. Why not? If you can make a profit, all the better. If you rent, you don't have to pay anything to fix it when it breaks. And if you can buy a duplex, triplex, or quadplex, you can house hack and your tenants can pay your mortgage for you. All right? Don't let your house be a liability. Make the home you live in an asset. If you refuse to sell and you got a spare bedroom, can you rent that spare bedroom out? If you go on vacation, can you rent your house as an Airbnb? So on and so on. Okay? Think about it. Just think about your options. Because the goal for all of us should be to become financially independent. So many Americans are working, tooling away at their jobs that may or may not be here in a decade or two or three or four. That's meaning their jobs. They might be here, but their jobs might not be. But they need that income to live on. If they can get cash producing assets, they can live on it. If you are working right now, take advantage of that. Figure out how you can, I'll call this, tighten your belt, suck it up, and figure out how you can get more cash producing assets. If you're stuck, if it's going to take you a year or two to save up your down payment, can you work a second job? Can you work a third job? Can you sell a car? Can you sell a house? Can you sell any belongings to raise cash? What can you do? Excuse me. You have more options than you realize. Most people have blinders on. They're stuck in the rat race of the world. They get up in the morning, they rush, they catch breakfast on the way out, and they eat in the office or eat at work, or something like that. All right. Oh, real quick here, because this is going to be short. Alzheimer's is caused 90% of the time or 75% of the time or something like that from the diet that we eat. The diet that we eat. Same with diabetes, same as heart disease, same as Parkinson's, same as muscular degenerative type diseases. The majority of diseases that we get as human beings are caused primarily from the diet we eat. Exercise can help prevent them as well. We have to be aware of our environment because our environment can cause certain diseases. You know what I'm talking about. If you are exposed to a lot of radiation, that can cause cancer, okay? But primarily all of these diseases are caused by diet, which means you can prevent all of these diseases by the way you eat. And something I'll throw out in case a friend of mine watches this. I read something recently that foods such as bacon, if you eat it one time, you eat it twice, it's not going to do anything. If you eat it consistently, it is processed meat without a shred of health benefit for anybody. Not a shred. So if you eat it consistently, you are opening yourself up for cancer and other diseases. If you eat processed meat, cancer and other diseases. If you smoke tobacco, marijuana, cancer and other diseases. All right. And I could go on and on. Processed food, a bag of chips, a cake, a cookie, muffins, all that stuff. It's killing you. It's killing society. So while you're working towards financial independence, by golly, live a healthy life. Okay? I look around fast food restaurants in my area. There's always lines at the drive-thru and the parking lot's full. I look at shopping carts in the grocery store. People pile it high with junk food. If I talk to someone about investing, almost nobody invests. It's a recipe for disaster. All right? So, with that being said, Mazske signing off. Have a great day. Stay safe in all you do. Make today the day that you get on your financial independence journey and that you become healthier through the way you eat. Thanks for watching. Mazske signing out.